Let me catch up to you a little bit on this first problem. What are the critical? Everybody hopefully got through this okay? So what are my critical numbers?
You got 3, 1, and -3 over 2.
Beautiful. I love it. Cool. And it's just a polynomial. There's nowhere that it's undefined. So it is kind of, I don't know. I follow this problem up with a few that are not polynomial in nature. Just to remind you guys, you have to look for words undefined too in general. It's not going to be undefined anywhere. Now the sign diagram, again, you don't have to put it to scale, but you do have to put everything in the relatively the right place. And I'm going to put z's over these because that's where there's 0. That's where that first derivative is 0. And then I can use multiplicity if I want. This is the only one that's got even multiplicity, so it's not going to change signs around -3/2. It's going to change signs around all the other ones. So if I put 0 in, thankfully I'm allowed to, I get negative times positive times negative. Right? In fact, let's go up here. Right? If I put a 0 in, I get negative times positive times negative times positive. Yes?
Is 0 not, is 0 not a critical number?
Where would it come from?
The 2 out front of everything.
So why is 3 a critical number? Because 3 makes this factor 0, which makes the whole thing 0.
Okay.
What's this? What can I make this become? 2. I don't care what you make x. Is this ever going to be anything except 2? No.
Okay.
This is kind of a really cool, so where do I have control? Here, here, and here. I got no control with this guy. So he doesn't contribute a place where it's 0 because I don't control that piece. It's always whatever it wants to be. It wants to be 2.
Okay.
And if I put 9 out, it wants to be 18. I love it. Good. So now I got to remember. I think we got negative times positive times negative is positive in there. So what's it going to be over here? Still positive because we said that's where it's got an even multiplicity. And what's going to be here? Negative because it's going to change signs, and in here it's going to positive because it's going to change signs. I like it. So can anybody tell me what intervals it's increasing on? What are the intervals where it's increasing? From? Good. Don't just go straight up to 1 because at -3/2 it's flat. It's not increasing. Or -3/2 to 1. Or 3 to infinity. So where's the only place it's decreasing? 1 to 3. I like it. Very straightforward. Your sign diagram directly tells you that information. Are there any maxes and mins? How many of each? Is there a max? Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? If you need to, you can draw little pictures. You don't even have to do like I did earlier with drawing the shape. Look, you could do this. Up, up, down, up. All right, where's there a max? At what x value? 1. So what's the maximum? There's a max. Let me put this over here. There's a max at 1 comma what? Oh yeah, dude. Because there's like a 5th power in there. It's going to be 5 to the 5th times -2 to the 4th. What do you get? 253, 125. Neato. I like it. So by the time, now this, we're not going to quite get that crazy. But when we get to the point where we're graphing these things, a huge part of it is going to be picking good scale. Don't just go 2, 4, 80,000. The shit? Your scale's got to actually make sense. Where's the min? There's only one min. This one's nice. The min is at 3, 0. Right? When you plug a 3 in, the function is 0. You guys doing all right? I mean, I gotta find that balance. I feel like this might be, no, I'm not gonna say it's too easy, because then somebody is gonna yell at me. All right, so that's, the next step we're gonna do in section 4.3 is to actually graph based on what we see, based on what we've done. What do I do for this step? What do I already have done for this step that I need to do in general for absolute? I've already found critical numbers. I love it. And which one of those critical numbers are in that interval? 1. So I got to check 1. I got to check, what else? 0. And I got to check 2. F of 1 we already know is 2, 5, 3, 1, 2, 5. He's a pretty good contender. F of 0, oh my god, it's something else gross. It's negative 3 to the 9th power. Dude. Whatever that would be. I got a calculator right here, Jeff. Oh yeah. I get negative 19,683. And when you plug a 2 in, you get 16,807, I believe. So absolute questions are always so beautiful. You just plug in the critical numbers that apply, you plug in the endpoints, and you see who wins. Who won the biggest award?